Hello, to set up your Samsung Galaxy A06, you simply have to first turn it on, and as you turn it on you have to select your language right here, your preferred language. I have chosen the English one, so let's just begin. Let's press the start button. Right here we have some user license agreement. We should have agreed to these two policies, the end user license agreement and privacy policy. You don't have to send off diagnostic data, and I recommend to not select this one, just these two. Now let's press agree. Let's go. Oh, something is alright. So this is the next step, the easy setup with another device. In case you want to move all your data to this phone, you can select if you want to move it from the Galaxy phone or Android device, or from your iPhone or iPad. It depends on which the device you had. So you have to then select any of these options. You can also do it later. You can just set up everything right now and move all your data later. So let's go to setup manually. You have to connect to Wi-Fi or to network first. So let me just connect to the network. Alright, as I am connected right now, we go next. Alright, it took a little bit. Your phone is brand new, so you won't, this screen doesn't affect you, but I will have to, after I factory resetted my phone, I have to draw the previous security lock screen that was on this phone, and I have to sync in to the Google account, which also was previously on this phone. It's only in my case, it won't affect you, so let me just quickly log in. Alright, as you logged in into your Google account, I mean you can log into your Google account. I'm not sure if you have to, but if you do it, then you simply just agree. Alright, so right here we have some Google services, and you have to choose which one you want to, which services you want to be enabled. So simply, I usually turn off everything right here. Or turn off the location one, turn off the backup device, or if you want to backup your device, you can enable it. Send usage and diagnostic data, I recommend to turn it off. And alright, now we go next, accept. We simply have to select the protection of our phone. We have the various options right here. We can also skip this. I will skip this one. Here you can set up your Google Assistant. You can skip this one also. I will do it. Next is access your assistant without unlocking your device. I will skip this one too. Now if you do have Samsung account, you simply just press the email or phone number to log in. If you don't have one, you simply press this one, or you log in with Google. I do not have the account, and right now I don't want to log into the Samsung account, so you can also set up later in settings. So simply just go in here. Let's skip this one, and here are some Samsung service legal information. This is necessary, so you have to select the terms and conditions, and I can see that's all, so let's agree. Customization service, let's turn it off. You can choose your display mode right here, to light mode or to dark mode. Let's go next. And as you can see, you are all set up. Everything is set up. Let's press finish, and just like that, that is how to set up your Samsung Galaxy A06. Alright, so that's how you do it. Simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.